Welcome to the TRAVELZON channel. Today, we're whisked away to Scandinavia, to the captivating country of Sweden. Known for its stunning natural beauty, innovative spirit, and friendly locals, Sweden offers a travel experience unlike any other. Get ready to explore a land of majestic forests, sparkling lakes, charming cities, and a rich cultural heritage. Sweden, a country known for its high quality of life, welcomes you with open arms. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by the warmth of the people and the seamless blend of modern amenities and respect for tradition. Whether you're an avid nature lover, a history buff, or a city slicker, Sweden has something to captivate every traveler. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Scandinavia. Prepare to be amazed by Sweden's breathtaking natural landscapes. Imagine vast forests teeming with wildlife, crystal-clear lakes perfect for swimming and kayaking, and a stunning archipelago of islands dotting the coastline. This is Sweden, a nature lover's paradise. From hiking through dense forests to kayaking amidst serene lakes, Sweden offers a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the sprawling beauty of Lapland, home to the indigenous Sami people and the magical northern lights. Discover the tranquility of the Swedish Lake District, where you can swim, fish, or simply relax by the water's edge. And don't miss the chance to island hop along the picturesque archipelago, a true testament to Sweden's natural splendor. Beyond its natural wonders, Sweden boasts vibrant cities brimming with history, culture, and modern charm. Stockholm, the captivating capital, will steal your heart with its cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and world-class museums. Explore Gamla Stan, the charming Old Town, and marvel at the grandeur of the Royal Palace. Gothenburg, the country's second-largest city, offers a more laid-back vibe with its picturesque canals, trendy neighborhoods, and thriving culinary scene. Venture south to Malmö, a city known for its modern architecture, including the iconic turning torso skyscraper. Each city has its own unique personality, offering a delightful blend of history, culture, and modern amenities. Immersing in Swedish culture. Swedish culture is a fascinating blend of tradition and innovation. Known for their love of nature, Swedes embrace a concept called friluftsliv, which translates to open-air living. This deep connection to nature is reflected in their everyday lives, from frequent outdoor activities to a strong emphasis on sustainability. Experience fika, a beloved Swedish tradition of enjoying coffee and pastries with friends or colleagues. Immerse yourself in the world of Swedish music, from the iconic ABBA to the contemporary sounds of today. And don't forget to explore Swedish design, known for its minimalist aesthetics and functional yet stylish creations. From its welcoming people to its unique traditions, Sweden offers a cultural experience that will stay with you long after you've said, "Hej då." Plan your Swedish adventure. So, are you ready to experience the magic of Sweden? With its stunning natural beauty, vibrant cities, and welcoming culture, Sweden promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Explore the great outdoors, immerse yourself in the local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Start planning your Swedish adventure today. You won't be disappointed.